Hey there, fellow Google Sheets enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to set the print area in Google Sheets 2025. If you've ever struggled with printing just the right part of your spreadsheet without extra blank pages or unnecessary data, this tutorial is for you. It's a simple process that can save you time and frustration, especially for reports, budgets, or shared documents. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and have the sheet you want to work with ready. Now, select the range of cells you want to print. Click and drag your mouse over the cells, or hold down Shift and use your arrow keys for precision. This step is crucial because it defines exactly what will be included in your printout. Once your cells are selected, head over to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Print. This will open the print preview window, where all the magic happens. In the print settings on the right side, look for the Print section. Here, you'll see an option that says Current Sheet by default. Change that to Selected Cells to ensure only your chosen area prints. If you need to fine-tune things, scroll down to adjust margins, orientation, or scaling. Maybe switch to landscape for wider tables. After you've made your adjustments, take a moment to preview how it looks. Google Sheets makes it easy to see what you'll get before wasting paper. If everything's perfect, hit the Print button at the bottom. And just like that, you're done. Remember, this feature works seamlessly across devices, so whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or phone, you can set your print area on the go. One quick tip. If you're dealing with multiple sheets, double-check which one is active before printing to avoid mix-ups. This method is updated for 2025, so it should be smooth sailing. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.